Oh, la, la. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Mm-mm-mm-mm. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money, and so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Yeah, everything, guys, definitely everything that's better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, you guys, you already know the drill, right? We look at market performance for the past 24 hours. Right after that, we'll check out prices in details. And right after that, we will look at our positions. Are we buying Lambos yet? But before that, guys, listen. There is this thing. I was listening to this song this morning, and it kind of reminded me of something I need to tell you. Okay, people are different on Earth. Okay, people are different. The people you surround yourself with, no matter how you see them, they are different. Me, I think what I do is like I try to separate the real ones from the fake ones. What do I mean by that? Okay, you got people that come into your life to add value. They really complement where you already are. Just like right now, okay? Maybe we don't know each other personally, but I came into your life, you discovered my channel, and to a bunch of you, I have added value. How I know that? Some of you put it on the comments, some of you, they inbox me on my X account, things like that. I know. Oh, thanks MMJ, I was able to do this. Thanks, man, you signed me this, blah, blah, blah. But again, even though I am not your financial advisor, wink, wink, I have been able to make you see things in a different way, right? In a different perspective. Unlike some people who, when they climb a tree, they cut the branches on their way up. Okay, they're climbing that tree, the higher they go, they keep cutting the branches, forgetting that one day they are going to need to come down from that tree. And coming down from that tree, trust me, you're going to need those branches. Because when you don't have those branches to come down, that's when you fall like a rock. Some people do these videos for the views of it. As you guys can see, I don't even get 2,000 views on my videos. I don't. So yeah, for me to keep doing it every day, you are not going to say that, yeah, you are doing it for the views because you are going to get incentivized. No, I don't. I get nothing out of it. I get like sometimes, I think the max I have seen one of my videos go was, 800 views? That's it. So yeah, some people do it for the views, and that's why you see a lot of them have a lot of subscribers, because they say what the masses want to hear. Something that is so obvious that I don't know why you go and pay somebody. Why you go and pay somebody a private code for a meme coin, a private course for a meme coin? That's something I don't get. It's easy. You go to CoinMarketCap, go into the trending things that are going on. You can go each category on meme coins, on layer ones. So you go into it, and then you look which one is trending. What I was doing back then, when I was a green candle chaser, what I was doing back then was, once I get into CMC or CoinGecko or DEX2s or all of these things, I will look at a trending coin. After looking at it, next thing I will check, first of all, I will look at, okay, what's the market cap? If it is still that low, I get in. And when it gets high enough, you sell. That is the most difficult things that people do, because people tend to marry those coins, right? That's what they do. And another thing is, like, you look at it, okay, why am I going to park entire life savings in a meme coin when a website is already telling you it's nothing but a meme coin? They're already saying it themselves, right? So why are you going to do it? So you remember a couple of months ago when people were saying like trading your Kaspa for Turbo. How many videos of Turbo are you seeing online right now? How many? Where is Turbo right now? See, that's what I was saying. Like you need to surround yourself. You need to surround yourself with the right people. The right people with the same mentality. Because yeah, we are building wealth. I'm not telling you like you remember me. Ah man, you remember Bitboy, right? You remember that guy? Every coin that come out, yeah, it's guaranteed to go. It's gonna go up, and then people get in there. Next thing you go, you get rug pull. And the strategy was simple because even me, I could read in between the line. He will find out the coins that are about to get listed on Binance. I don't know how he was doing it, but he will find it out. Once he finds out, he start talking about them. Those coins probably give him a bag or something. Once they get listed on Binance, the price shoots, he sells, the VC sells, and the thing crash after that. Next, you will pick the next coin and keep on going. Somebody called him out of it and he sued the person, which later he later dropped the thing. So yeah, again, you need to surround yourself with people that think like you. I don't think about meme coins. I don't. To me, meme coins are like a lottery. I don't. And that's why you see my channel. I don't have 10,000 subscribers. I don't have 100,000 subscribers. Because when we in this my millionaire journey, we are not part of the 99%. If I considered myself part of the 99%, I would be talking about meme coins or some sketchy coin out there which seems like it's going to run. Which yeah, it might run for a little bit and then drop like a rock. And that's what people want to hear. 99% of the people like to invest high and sell low. And if you do that, your channel grows and all that things happen. But me, no, I have a conscience. Like I told you, I behave like that song said. Don't cut your branches on your way up because you're going to need them on your way down. You understand? That's the kind of person I am. We build the wealth together. Okay? Again, I'm not your financial advisor. Wink, wink. So, we build the wealth together. I see something that I like, that I see it has potential. The first thing I usually do, if you knew people in my inner circle, ask them. They will tell you. The first thing I usually do, pick up my phone. Yo, bro, listen, I found out about this, and that. I think, yeah, we can make $3 or $4 out of it. Look into it. You tell me what you see. Right? Comes back to me. Hey, I think it's solid. What are you doing? Hey, I'm going to put $10 into it. Okay, me too, $10. The other guy, you know what? I'm going to stay out of it. Okay, bro, not a problem. At least we told you. We get in there, we make the money. When you come, oh, yeah, you guys were right. Next day, there might be the people see it and they give me a call. Yo, MMJ, look at what I found out. Oh, shit, we get in. Not just crypto, stocks, real estate, things like that. That's how we function. That's how you have to watch who is around you. It's like you're having a conversation, okay, with somebody, and they're telling you, yes, okay, what are you doing? What's your plan for the future? And the first thing they're gonna tell you, Lambo. You know what? I usually start to back out slowly. That way the person will not know I'm backing out, but I take my time backing out slowly. Because if your plan for the next 5 years is to get a Lambo and that's it, you are not part of my circle. We don't think alike. I think forward, I think for generational wealth. In the next 5 years, I'm going to be 45. My plan is to retire and put my money on autopilot. In that way, I don't have to work for nobody, but for myself. Nothing changes. I'm telling you, I just, the other guy was asking me the other day in the comments of my office. This is what my office looked like. Let me show you my real office, okay? Give me a second. Where's my X account? This is what my real office. Let me go into my profile. Excuse me. As you guys can see, I'm going to scroll down. I think I did post it. Okay, here. This is what my real office looked like. I'm going to mute the song because I don't want YouTube to be saying something. So let me go back. This is what my real office for my corporation look like. So like I said, 5 years from now, I do not want to work for anybody. All I want to do is put the money on autopilot and start to grow my own empire. That's what auto compounding my stuff. That's what I want to do. Okay, that's my new, as you can see, hard work does pay. If you go to my X account, you will see I posted it. I now have a headquarter office in Houston, Texas. So yeah, things are playing out. And this is the kind of things I want to work with. You know, I don't want to work with somebody who thinks his next plan for the future in the next 5 years is just buying a Lambo, going on a vacation. And then after that, then what? You buy the Lambo, you buy exactly what, 10 of them or whatever, okay? You buy those things, you buy the Lambo, you buy the things that you do, the fancy stuff. After then what? Go back to work for Uncle Sam, spend another 5 years trying to get that money back? Is that what you think? You really have to open your mind. Yeah, we're in a race. We're trying to make this money. Then what? Once you get it. We've been sitting about it for over 2 years now. I told you, investing takes a lot of efforts. It's one thing for me to tell you I want to retire in 5 years. But it's another thing to really work to make sure that I retire in 5 years. Do you get it? Those are two entirely different things. Okay? So people just look at you and they think like, yeah, we want to make it. But if you want to make it, you have to follow a specific procedure. I asked you earlier, the people that were talking about turbo AI, what are they? Do you see them again? No, you don't. Fundamentals, right from 2 years ago when we started this journey, I was telling you, your money is on utility coins. You remember? Utility coins. And by then, Quant was still building. Kaspa was still building. It was still coming up. And everybody, I think I was buying Quant, it was like $40. I think I was buying it. And I remember somebody telling me like, why are you buying that thing? It has not even broken its all-time high. And then my reply to that was simple. When Bitcoin came out, you guys remember when Bitcoin went to, was it $80 or something like that? It went and then crashed all the way down to $2. You guys remember that? It's the same situation that Kaspa was facing right now. Kaspa went all the way to 20 cents and crashed all the way down to less than a cent. It's the same situation. I showed you guys yesterday a chart, Kaspa against Bitcoin. And again, you can see it. I think I will show it to you again today. You can see it. You know what? Let's go look at it right now. Let's go trading view. Let's go trading view right here. We need Kaspa. No. I need Kaspa, BTC, and we're gonna grab this one, let it load. This is the chart I was telling you guys about. Okay, you guys remember I was telling you have to look. When you look, Kaspa for the longest was being underperforming Bitcoin for the longest. Let's go to the, I think I want to zoom it out. On the 4 hourly, look at the moving average. See, price was always under the moving average, dropping and dropping and dropping. Finally, now look at what you're looking at. Kaspa against Bitcoin, Kaspa is breaking out. Kaspa is taking that initiative. It looks like the downtrend has finally ended. It is now over, right? That is what we're looking at right now. And then when you tell people this, everybody like asking, oh, why? What's happening? It's simple. Development on Kaspa has begun to take traction. You remember we talked about it here. Stable coins do a lot in an ecosystem. Right now, the main icing on the cake is the VPROX, which are not live yet, but Casplex went live. And Casplex, using a breach, they are now breaching stable coins from any chain, Solana, Ethereum, BNB. They are doing that right now. And you see the effect, trading volume has started to go, right? But again, the people you surround yourself with, they're going, some of them are telling people, because I was watching, oh, meme coins are going to run. Meme coins, for fuck's sakes, guys. Come on. I know you want to get rich, but are you going to feel good about yourself by getting rich using somebody else as a trampoline? It's not even that you're going to make them make some money. No, you're talking about meme coins that are out of existence right now. Kaspa is leading a charge. We've been talking about it, and everybody else who was laughing, I was just asking, where are they right now? Where are they? All-time high Kaspa is coming in faster than you think. Very fast. And it's going to happen. And it's just like everybody looking at themselves left and right. Kaspa is the blockchain that was supposed to be. And once these VPROX come out, you are going to see how everybody's going to realize it. The best thing for you to do is to position yourself in there before everybody and their grandmama becomes a Kaspa expert. Do you see now how many videos are on YouTube right now about Kaspa? Right now. But when the price was doing bad, okay, nobody was talking about Kaspa. Right now, people want to rack up views. That's why they're talking about it. Most of them, I watch their videos, they don't even know what Kaspa is. And now you're going to have a bunch of green candle chasers. Oh, shit, let's get in. You see, they try to get in, and they don't explain to their audience what it is. Once the Kaspa go up to, let's say, new all-time highs, and price come back down to retest the previous all-time high, because it usually happens, you are going to see, oh man, it's a shit coin. Oh, this is that. Oh my God. You're going to start to hear that. Why? Because first of all, whoever that presented it to them did not explain it. See, again, the circle. Who you follow, who you keep around you. They did not explain it to them. All they saw was the green candle, just like we are looking at right now. We're seeing Kaspa's green candle printing. And I tell people, listen, short term is going to make me money because I have leverage positions, right? I do have leverage positions, which whether I like it or not, I have to close those positions when the price gets to a certain point, or else I'm going to ride the whole thing up and ride it all the way down. Short term, those are the things that are going to make me the money with Kaspa. Long term, it is going to make me a multi-millionaire, because I'm telling you, once these VPROX come out, we have already started to see everybody and their grandmama shaking their pants. Ethereum, first upgrade went live, another upgrade. I don't even know how many upgrades they have put themselves through to try to keep up. Solana, the same thing, although they are still shutting down. A couple of days shut down again. shut down again. Sui, the same thing, doing all these upgrades, try to keep up. BNB, the same. And you guys asked me one time, somebody was saying that why Binance not listing? Yeah, because they know if they list Kaspa, they're done for. That's one thing, okay? And the same thing, you know that they tried to play with Kaspa? They did the same with Monad. They were asking Monad, I think, for like 4 or 5 or 10% of their total supply of coins for them to list them on Binance. And Monad said no. So people are beginning to wake up. People are beginning to wake up. But anyways, back to what we are talking about. You're beginning to see it. And you can see how your money grows exponentially if you are with the right group, if you are with the right people. Those of you who stuck around, those of you who followed, when I was telling you, wink, wink, Quanti, Quant. You remember, right? I was telling you, Quanti, because Quant was still developing. Now, what do you see? The green candles have started appearing, and this is just the start. We have not even breached all-time high yet. This is just the start, right? So now you see everybody and their grandmama, they're looking at it. And oh my God, Quant. Now they want to jump in. And once we get to all-time high and then price has a correction, oh yeah, it's worthless. Same thing I'm telling you about Kaspa right now. Everybody's not, oh yeah, price is running, prices they're trying to get in, but they don't know what it is, right? But we've been talking about Kaspa on this channel. Some of them, people are just getting in for the short term. They're trying to make 20x their money and they're out, which is okay as long as you make money. If you're happy with it, that's great. But here, what we're doing is finding those opportunities. Finding those opportunities that will take us from zero to a multi-millionaire status. And that does not only mean opportunity, it also means the people you surround yourself with, like I've been explaining. All right, if you go and follow people that talk about meme coins and they don't tell you the dangers of it, yep, I remember Trump coin, right? I said it on this channel, stay the fuck away from Trump coin. Where is it today? Turbo AI, right? Where is Turbo today? And a bunch of other coins. ZBCN, you remember? Where is it? There's a lot of them. I keep telling you, like, guys, the person you talk to, the person you listen to, the person, because it's not just me talking. Once I tell you, you go and research. Go and look for yourself. Is it good for me? Is it good for my next, if you're in the same situation like me, which you are looking for generational wealth, is it good for my next generation? You see, you start to think about that. You start making plans about 5 to 10 years to come. Like I told you, a good investment is not a 1-year thing. A good investment is a 10-year plan. The first 3 years, you will think like you're not doing anything. Like, oh my God, what's going on here? I keep putting money into it, but it's not going. After 3 years, you begin to look at your portfolio starts to move. Like, oh crap, look at this. What's going on here? Okay? After 5 years, oh shit, I'm having surplus. There's a surplus of money. Now I can reinvest that money, or do I want to just take profits and, live my life? 10 years later, you are a monkey's uncle. You put your money on autopilot. You don't even have to do anything anymore. See? That's what I'm talking about, having a plan about it. Some people usually look at me crazy when I say, just buy 10,000 Kaspas. 10,000 Kaspas, they are not going to make you a millionaire, but they are going to point you in the right direction. Those of you who bought, when I was talking about Quant the first time, was like $40. Those of you who bought 100 Quants by then, how much is your portfolio now? See? And for me, I didn't buy it just for the spot selling. No, I'm buying Quant because I want to stake it. Once that gateway project goes live, I want to stake it and make money with it. That's the reason why. And once those of you buying it for the same reason, when it starts to happen, you are welcome. You are welcome. So again, you have to really think hard. Who do you want around you? Who is going to sit beside you when all these things is happening? Because if you have somebody who tells you, hey, no matter what the situation, you can do this. It is just in your power. You can get from zero to a multi-millionaire status. You can do it. Nothing stops you but your own will. Nothing. You will do it. But if you go ahead and follow people that only talk about meme coins, that they don't go anywhere, they dump on you every time, and you come over here and cry about it, you will go nowhere. Okay, I've been blocking people left and right because I told you, I don't care about what your personal life is. Listen, when you put your money in an investment, you must have done a research. You must have looked into it. And most important part of it, you did not use money you are going to need tomorrow. Right? You use money you can lose any day, just like me. Okay, myself, I'm not talking about you. Like, again, I'm not your financial advisor. Wink, wink. I'm not. But me, a spot account, I put money I don't mind losing. Trading account, the same thing. Leverage. If it get closed down, yeah, I open another one until I get to that point. Maybe this is going to be the bottoms I was looking for. Now, let's see, let it run. I will make 6 figures out of it. So yeah, it is what it is. The people you surround yourself with, and then your mindset and how you take and research. Do not just take anybody's word for it, because hey, some people only do this for the view. A very few people do it, okay? A very few people do it to try to help others, just like I'm doing. I'm trying to help, okay? I'm trying to, for me, it will make my day meeting somebody in person and the person telling me, hey, Alex, look here. Because I was watching you, I did my research, and look, I'm financially stable, or I'm financially free. I'm just like you right now. Hey, we meet somewhere in Dubai or whatever we meet. Hey, look, we're on vacation when everybody else is working. It will make my day. So I don't care if it is just one person that is watching my videos, and at the end the person succeeds. That means the circle, we are doing something positive. Okay? Again, if you're gonna cry about price and all that stuff, please, you are free to leave. Nobody's forcing you to be here. Okay? You got to find the right people for this journey. And that's, for me, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the right people for this journey, going from zero to a multi-millionaire status. That being said, right now, let's go look at the market. Let's see how, let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Let's go there. And okay, so crypto bubbles. Oh, where do we have this, my friend? Crypto bubbles, right there. Look at crypto bubbles right now. Let's see. Yeah. 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 See? What do you see? Green. Quanti. Right? Quanti is green. Anyways, like, let's go right quick, okay? Let's look at first King Kaspa. KAS. What do we have? For the past hour, 0.6% down, 9% down on the day, 49.4% up on the week, 8.3% up on the month, and 62.9% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.51 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $47.41 million, right? A lot of you will be talking about, yeah, the price is doing this, price is doing that. Well, you're about to find out in a second, okay? And now we go look at Quant. QNT, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. There you go. I told you, right? First on the hour, 0.8% up, 6.8% up on the day, 28.4% up on the week, 18.8% up on the month, and what do we have here? 0.5% up on the year. The yearly has started to flip. You see? I try to tell you. Sitting at a market cap of $1.38 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $90.58 million. Remember, I was telling you that volume was low. Something was going to happen, right? You see? If you made money, congratulations. If you didn't, I don't know what to tell you. Looking at Jasmy, the Japanese Bitcoin, 0.1% up the last hour, 2.5% down on the day, 0.9% down up on the week, 24.8% down on the month, and 71.5% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $3.61 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $13.83 million. That volume, my friends, is very low. Okay, super duper low. Okay, now we go to the next one, which is going to be Cubic. I think they're still at that war. Anyways, for the past hour, 0.5% down, laying flat on the day. We are 3% up on the week, 36.2% down on the month, and 73.5% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $100.94 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $2.43 million. I tell you, I want to enter a position on this, but I'm still waiting, okay? Now, let's go look at last but not the least. Okay, we try the orange guy. That's what I call it. But hey, you guys already know that's Jonathan's pet turtle called Bitcoin. For the past hour, 0.1% down, 1.7% down on the day, 7.5% up on the week, 15.7% down on the month, and 5.2% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.81 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $49.55 billion. Now, do you understand why the market is looking red? Do you understand? I told you, money is not going to trickle down. Okay? Money is not. Bitcoin goes up, market goes up. Bitcoin drops, market drops. That's what is going to happen. But yeah, there are some specific coins that what I always tell you, this run, you're going to have your money made in utility coin. Quant, Kaspa, you can't miss on those. But well, that's up to you, right? I'm not your financial advisor. Anyways, now let's go look at the prices in a little details. Okay, let's go look at them in a little details. Let's see what's going on there. And to do that, we need trading view, which is this guy right here. First, let's see the correlation. What we got going on? We have Dixie dropping, we have Bitcoin dropping. Yeah, that's not what we want. We want to see each doing the opposite. Okay, when one goes up, the other one is dropping. Okay, that's what we want to see, an inverse correlation. Anyways, now let's continue. Let's look at Kaspa on the hourly. Okay, now this is when you start to see the price went up to 6 point something cents, and everybody in the grandmama, yeah, we going to the moon. Now price is consolidating. What are you listening to? Everybody in the grandmama, yeah, it's crashing again. Oh my god, this thing is so funny, guys. Look, I'm gonna tell you this, okay? If you're a day trader or a swing trader or whatever, that's when things like this usually affect people. For me, I am not a swing trader. I am not a day trader. I'm a long-term trader. So anything that happens during the day, I don't really care, because it's inevitable that Kaspa is going to go up. It's inevitable. Okay? So, if you look at it, okay, let's take this first. So, you see this? We went up. Like I told you, price always get attracted to moving average, right? See? Little flag, up, little flag, up, another flag that was happening. Next thing we are going to see is that. That's what you're about to see. So, for those of you panicking, again, I told you, when we get attracted to the moving average, either we bounce on it or we give a chance for the ribbon to pick up, and then we bounce on the ribbon. And that's exactly what has been happening. You can see the price coming up, bounce on the ribbon, bounce on the ribbon, bounce on the ribbon. Now what you see, the same thing. If you try to zoom in a little bit, zoom in a little, ribbon still green, and we are still facing upwards, right? That's what we're still doing. If you look at it on the 4 hourly, look on the 4 hour. See, the same thing. I told you, price breaks out, okay, comes in, bounce on the ribbon. That's what is happening right now. So if you are panicking, yeah, well, that's up to you. Although if you ask me, I can even tell you, even if the price comes all the way down, okay, see, it goes all the way down to test the moving average, we are still bullish. It's still bullish. There's no problem here. Okay, I told you, the price target for Kaspa right now is 7.5 cents. That's where we're going, right? Look at it. Ribbon is facing upwards. Everything is looking upwards. There is no difference on here. Okay, you can even make out, like, okay, say this is a breeder because some people made some profits and they want to take them, okay, which is not a sin. Excuse me. It's not a sin, okay? People take profit every time. So yeah, if you look at the MACD, look at the RSI. I'm telling everybody who's keep telling you that, oh, we are gonna drop, okay? I don't think they know what they're talking about. Because like, if you look at things like the fear and greed index, you know what, we're gonna start doing that, okay? Let me show you fear and greed index right quick. Let's go here, fear and greed index here. Let me show you this right quick, because this is something that people don't get. See, we are still in extreme fear. Trust me, market bull run does not finish when we are still in extreme fear. Bull market always finish like when we are in extreme greed, somewhere over there. So yeah, it's up to you if you want to really be afraid of it and look at stuff. That's you. I don't think this is something that you have to oh, sorry, I was showing you the wrong one. We're still in fear. We just got out of extreme fear. I was showing you this the stock market once. So you can see, we never, well, it's up to you. You want to be afraid and close shop and do that, go ahead and do it. But I'm telling you, the market is heading even higher than this. But anyways, now let's go back there. You see the 4 hourly. If you look at MACD and RSI, everything is still really oversold, almost close to oversold. So yeah, you're gonna see it. It's going to happen slowly. Look at it on a daily, because now we have had the 1 hour flip, right? We have had the daily flip. We have had the, you have the 1 hour and the 4 hour flip. Now the daily is the next thing that is going to flip. And you can see since yesterday, see, ribbon still red, but it is curving upwards. Moving average is sitting at 7.5 cents. That's why I'm telling you guys, next price target is 7.5 cents, because we already know price always go and test the moving average, right? We already know, we've proven it here time after time. So next price target, 7.5 cents. By the time it does that, ribbon should be either beginning to turn green or completely green. And by the time it does, this price action should be way higher than 7.5 cents. You will see, it is happening. That's why when you ask me, I usually tell you, weekly, see, for how many weeks now? We've been going red candles. This is the first weekly candle on Kaspa that will close green. And if this weekly candle closes green, that shows reversal, right? Reversal is happening. So you can sit there and cry about it. Like I've said before, for me, anything under 12 cents is just noise. 12 cents is the major resistance that we have to break. Once we break it, we'll be looking at 15 cents. After 15 cents, you have 18, 19 cents. There was a lot of trading activity in those price zones. And after that, we will look at all-time high before start looking at price discovery. So for me, I'm going to sit tight. I have no problem with that. And another coin, I've been telling you guys since yesterday, check out Kaspa against Bitcoin. Check that out. When you start to see that Kaspa against Bitcoin, you see that we are breaking out of a downtrend. You see, this was a major downtrend against Bitcoin. See, we are breaking out. If you look at it on the 4 hourly, you see the same thing, right? Was a major downtrend. The moving average was all above it. Now we are above the moving average. We are breaking out. You see, the daily is getting towards that moving average. It's also happening again. So sit tight. Once we break above, because the hourly have broken out, 4 hourly has broken out, daily is looking to break out. Because look at the ribbon. Again, you can't deny this. See that ribbon? It's about to turn green. It's about to. And look at the moving average. Moving average has started to curve towards the upside. Yeah, it is happening, whether you like it or not. You can sit and cry about it if that's what you want to do. Me, I know I'm going to make money. Anyways, now let's go look at the quant real quick. The banker's coin. I told you, right? You want to sit there and panic about it. Congratulations for those of you who sat patiently and are making money. So look, bam, Quanti. I told you, didn't I? I told you. After we did that retest, former resistance now turned into support. On the 1 hourly, there's not much to be looked at here. Quant is going, forming bull flag after bull flag. Look at the first bull flag came up, broke out. Now second bull flag, next thing, up we went, right? You're about to see that. Quant is doing exactly like I told you. Short term, we're gonna make money. Long term, it's gonna make me a multi-millionaire. You just watch and see. Okay, you look at it on the 4 hourly, you see the same thing. If you zoom out, bull flag after bull flag. So things are playing out just like we expected. Now so if you look at it on the daily, the same thing. Everything is playing out just like I told you. Price always get attracted to moving average, right? As you guys can see, we are breaking above it. It looks like it's going to break up, but what calls my attention here is the ribbon. You see how the price is going high and the ribbon hasn't even turned green yet. This tells you like, yeah, the bullish momentum is going to continue. So yeah, now is for time for quant for you to sit down. Yesterday I was telling you that quant was forming a W on the daily. You see, W on the daily. Now if this thing breaks up, we are going to go up to like a $104 to $106. That's where we are going. So everything is playing according to the plan. And everybody who keeps telling you different, I don't understand. You can see, I've told you here time after time, for me, anything under $125 is nothing but noise. That's what it is. The moving average right now is sitting around that $118, $119. But anyways, after we break that 125, we do have 151 to be looking up for. Right after that, 164. If we manage to close a daily candle above that, then we will start looking at 176. After that, 230. We break that, all-time high comes in, and then we will have price discovery. Therefore, for me, I'm not worried about what's going on in the market right now. Look at the fear and greed index. Everything is playing out, right? Anyways, let's go look at Jonathan's pet turtle right quick, and we look at that. We'll see Bitcoin is doing its thing. I told you, everybody who was calling for bear market, I don't know. Look at that ribbon again. See that ribbon squeezing, about to start turning upwards. Right now, everybody in that grandmama don't even know it. Everybody's still expecting an $80,000 Bitcoin. Well, it's not. Looking at the way they are manipulating the ETFs and everything, yeah, I'm not surprised if it happens. But fundamentally, I don't think it will, because both the macroeconomy and everything else is looking to have that final push up before everything goes to shit. That's what it is. Therefore, for me, I'm still expecting Bitcoin to hit 150, 160,000 thereabout. If it doesn't, maybe 140. So yeah, we are watching. Everybody's waiting. I told you, once we go past my green line, price is going to pump, and that's what exactly has been happening right now. When I trade, I don't use rocket science. Okay, I don't use rocket science. You can just use this simple indicators, which is you see the EMA ribbon, you look at the moving average, you look at MACD, you look at RSI, you can even include that fear and greed index. Those are things that I use. Okay, so yeah, 160, that's what I think this thing is going. And you look at let's see, let me look at gold right quick. Let's see what gold is doing. Let's see what gold is doing on the daily. Yep, it's still forming the same on the daily. Let's see on the weekly. Let's see, gold on the weekly is still trying to push up some more. Well, let's see. Let's watch and see what they do with this. Anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at my positions. Okay, but before we do that, like I usually say, okay guys, please do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, because leverage trade can easily, when I say easily, it could easily make you miss a lot of money. Okay, so please only stick to your what you call it, spot trading. Down below, I do have Bydfi. Okay, I also have Phemex, Margex, and Wix exchange. Follow those links, sign up, and meet their deposit requirements. If you do, they are going to give you free money, which you can start your trading journey. Okay, but please do not do it if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, anyways, let's go. I was trying to look at Kaspa right quick. I saw something on the 1 hour, but anyways, I think I was mistaking. So let's go first to my Bydfi. You guys know there I am trading King Kaspa, and I'm also trading Quant. Let's refresh this so you guys can see. Today my overall is sitting at 10,600. Yesterday it was what, close to 9,900, I think it was. As you guys can see, it's going up. Like I told you, I am an aggressive trader, right? That's me. That's how I trade. If you look at my contracts, you see that here on Kaspa, I am up $1,500 approximately. Okay, on Quant, wow, my Quant is doing pretty good. A couple of days ago, this thing was down almost $5,000. Today, I am still down, but I'm down $1,000. So yeah, everything is playing according to the plan. I don't know about you, but that's the way it is doing for me. Okay, now let's go on Phemex. On Phemex, I'm trading just King Kaspa only. Let's refresh this thing. See right here, my overall is sitting at $2,500, as you guys can see. Looking at that contract, let's see, we have here, I am up 1,300, almost 1,400. Everything going according to plan. See, those of you who were panicking, where are you now? See what I'm telling you? Last but not the least, Wix Exchange. On Wix Exchange, I am trading King Kaspa, and I am also trading Quant. Let's refresh this. My overall is sitting at $4,500 approximately, you see? And if you look at my contracts, wow, Quant is $97. Whew. You look at my contracts on Quant, I am up $1,600 approximately. Okay, this is just the beginning. And on Kaspa, I am up $1,200. So yeah, I keep on just sit on the side, wait to see what the market is gonna do. That's me. I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know exactly. Last but not the least, let's go look at the Acorn. On Acorn, like I told you, I'm teaching my kid how to trade on stocks and ETFs and bonds and stuff like that. You can do the same. The link is down below. Use that and you'll get $5 for free. Okay, so looking at Acorn, let's open it up. Although it's the weekend, right? You guys already know stocks don't really trade on the weekend. So overall, we are sitting at $535. That's what we're sitting at. No more, no less. Okay, I like that. We're doing great here. Looking at the positions themselves, they won't change much from yesterday because I'm telling you, stock market closed on the weekend, and so it is still the same. We are up 2.9%. And stocks and ETFs, S&P 500, medium companies. Oh yeah, we're doing good. I'm telling you, if a 9-year-old kid could do this, you can also do it. There's no two ways about it. You can do it. There's no two ways. Whether you do it for yourself or for your kid, whatever you want to do, you can still do this. Okay? So now let's go back here. There you have it. Okay? So please, you have to watch who you are following, who is in your circle, who you listen to. Because trust me, it all going to add up in your journey to become financially free or financially stable. Do your own research. It doesn't take that much. Just look into things. Don't just take a random person on YouTube like me, take my word for it. No, don't do it. Because again, I am not your financial advisor, right? Wink, wink. I am not. Okay. So yeah, please, guys, please watch your surrounding. Not everybody cheering for you really mean what they're showing or what they're doing. Okay? That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers, okay? Don't forget to like and comment. I am very interested in knowing what you think about everything that we talked about today. And also don't forget to share so that other millionaire-minded attitude like me and you can see these videos and the family can grow. Until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourselves, okay? Bye-bye.